Okay, back again on the camper build. I have set these up so it can give me a better view and I can play with the dimensions. I'm not doing it on computer, I can do it in my head and on paper just as fast. I'm just doing this to give me an overall better view of it. It is level, pretty damn close anyway on that one. It's not even a 1/16 of an inch off, but it is a shower pan, and the tank is not secured, so it also may be the reason why. This, I put these in. As I said, the shower is going to go here, the board is going to go in here like that, and it's going to go across to that point where those two boards are, and it's going to build my shower frame, which is going to be about 28 by 30. It's around the final dimensions. Should be about 5 inches for the tank, maybe a little more. So overall height will be about right there. It'll have a 4-inch drop. Tank comes out. The tank comes out, and it should be around here. If not, it'll be around this area. And again, it's like 28 by 30, and that is so I can still get the washer, dryer, stove, everything in and out of the door. The toilet area is not going to be as wide as this tank, obviously. It's only going to come to about this pillar. It did remove my 2-foot drawer, me putting the tank here. I was going to run it the other way. So now I only have about a 14-inch drawer, 12-inch drawer, but it's going to be about 5 foot long if I can get it there. If that tank comes out too far, it's only about foot and a half by 2 foot, and about 10 inches deep. Because the floor then will come up to this intersecting where these boards will intersect, and I'll join them, and then the floor will start somewhere in this area. But that's the overall height of the floor. This is up here because it will be on top of the tank, and then I'll run the drain in the center. It is going to be a wet bath, so I will have to make a pan that goes over the toilet here all the way to this point here, unless I can find one to fit it. If the ones I found that were close were like $800–900, that's just retarded. I have put this board up here to give me a view of how much space that I'm dealing with and how much space I have on the inside. They're just clamped, but it works for me. So just as this side is, height, length, and width will also be on this side, and I will most likely change one thing, and that is run the dishwasher or the washer in this section. Even though it will be the same height, I'm not sure. I think the washer I said was like 30 inches tall. I'm still toying with that too. So I'm doing what I shouldn't be doing, changing my plans that I drew out. But that is the floor choices I have. One is here, this lower section, and the other is right there. I can clear both tanks easily all the way across. Here the only problem is I will have to plane the boards down 1/2 inch, which is not a big deal. But then I'll start my floor for this section in here, and then just start using the same. The only difference is in the bathroom it'll be here, and on the exterior on the other side I'll put this same joint or this same type, and then I'll run my floor from this into the other section, and then just run it around and make the floor. The shower will drop to about right there. And this is just to give me an idea what the tank is. I do need to order a new fitting. The other one I have, the 45-degree angle on the 1.5 hits the tank. I'm sure numerous people have encountered that type of thing, so I'm not really sweating that. I did take out the foil. It was burning me. It was blinding me, in other words. But still is on this side. But these, again, cupboards. on my braces. Starting to build this back up. Checking everything, the width and the height and the separation of each board. Make sure it stays level as I go. The bottom is level again, so everything above that must be level. It'll match all the way across. I haven't put a board across it yet to check level, as I don't have one mounted or screwed down. But hope you like it. Any questions, comments, or other, hit the like, subscribe, and welcome all comments and views. If you encountered this type of thing and you've had to do this, let me know. Maybe you know a different way of approaching the floor. I want to get as much space on the inside as I can. So far, the only thing I've came up with on this is putting a storage compartment over the water tank from this section right here, running it across. That'll give me a 2-inch storage to put whatever in, but it'll be 3 foot by maybe 2 foot by 4 foot, 2 foot by 5 foot. But that's it. Thank you.